Hi guys, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I have something which I've been looking forward to. I'm really excited, and that's the unboxing of my new Redmi Note 10 Pro. And additionally, I also received a free gift. I have no idea what it is, and we'll have a look at it afterwards. So this Redmi Note 10 Pro cost me 1086 ringgit 91 cents on Lazada, with shipping 3 ringgit 80. It's not from the official Lazada, Xiaomi store. So I bought it from another seller. It was really fast, just arrived in just 2 days. So Redmi Note 10 Pro with easy access to the Google apps you use most. So this is a gradient bronze 8 GB RAM with 8 GB ROM. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so I guess this is the paperwork. Alright, so you got the SIM card holder remover tool. Oh, that's the user guide, warranty card, and yes, it's the silicone protective cover. Xiaomi usually includes it for free, unlike other phones. Wow, this looks nice. So this has a 108 megapixel quad camera, 120 Hz AMOLED, 6.67 inches dot display, and the processor is Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G, and features 33 watts fast charging, 5020 mAh. Okay, the camera is quite huge. It's quite big. So it doesn't rock, which is good. To start it, you have to press it here. Yeah, right. Okay, I haven't set it up yet. Location, auto brightness, Wi-Fi. Okay, that's about the phone. Really nice. Okay, what's inside here? Oh yeah, it comes with a charger, free charger, unlike other phones nowadays. Okay, so what's inside the gift box? Wow, I have no idea what this is. Oh, this is I think it's a speaker, Bluetooth speaker. What's this? Oh, it's a cover for something. Innovation for everyone. And what's this? I have no idea. I got to look it up. So it's like a, can you wear it? I have no idea. Okay. I've never received any free gift from Xiaomi. This is the first time, so it's quite interesting. Okay, let's put this inside. Let's see what's in the top. Oh, it's fell out. So this is a keychain. It says innovation for everyone. Yeah, another cover. Yeah, with a, I think it's the cover for the speaker, with a, yeah, old USB cable. I mean the old type, not the C type. And I think this is a card holder. Yes. And how do you, yeah, nice. Thank you, Xiaomi. All right, thank you very much for watching.